packages arrive. And a couple of them look like you would expect packages to. Look at this thing. It's ripped. It's crushed. Where's it from? It's from Guangdong, China. So it probably has flu on it. It says drone. This is my drone in this disaster of a package. Holy crap. All right, let's see if it's in one piece. So, in that box was this guy, the carrying case, which is familiar to me. And it looks okay somehow. Well, let's see what the drone is like. So, open this up, and there's the drone. And it looks like it survived. There's my 3-axis gimbal, controller. I don't know, dude. Battery, some cables. Like I say, controller, strap, drone. I have no freaking idea. I gotta read the directions. We'll charge this up. And check this out. I think one of these is my RC truck. So all of a sudden I'm a radio control guy on steroids. We'll see how all that goes. And I'm sick, if you can't hear it in my voice. And actually there was more underneath. There was another panel here. Here's my charger. That other thing I thought was cables was actually 2 spare propeller blades. And then what the heck is this? Oh, that's probably to hold my phone onto the controller. All right, look at this. So again, let's charge up the battery. That's the first thing to do. And you can see it's flashing red. And I haven't even looked at the manual, but I'm pretty damn sure that means it's charging. And this box contained my new RC truck. Can you believe it? And this is, oh gosh, it's impossible to video with one hand like this. Come on, man. Come on, get out, get out, get out. There you go. Yeah, this is the Hosum. It's the 9125. And 2 motors, 4-wheel drive. Everybody on the internet raves about this. Cost me $109. And from everything I'm seeing, it's comparable to trucks costing $500, $600, $700 bucks. Amazing. And so now, you know, here's the controller for the truck. And I've got a charging cable. I've got some little tools here. There's plenty of unboxing videos on this exact truck. I just want to get to the battery and get it plugged in. So we'll get this baby charged up as well.